Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attack an enemy troop on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you have opened it up, complete through the basic tutorial levels if you're playing for the first time, or log into your existing account. After this, you will be taken into the homepage or your kingdom menu. Now, if you wish to attack any enemies or troops, then you can simply tap on this enemy kingdom and then tap on confirm in order to proceed with attacking. Just tap on the enemy location and then tap on attack. You can then choose your troop size and also choose the hero that you wish to deploy. Finally, tap on the deploy button in order to deploy your troops for the attack. Once you tap on this button, the attack will begin on the enemy that you just selected, and if your might is greater than the enemy's, then you will be able to emerge victorious within this match. After completing the attack and emerging victorious, you will gain various different rewards, which you can collect immediately after the attack is done. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to attack enemy troops on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.